The engine bay looks nice and clean. It's believed that this engine was rebuilt by the previous owner, or a top overhaul. That's what the current owner is indicating. The miles on the car odometer shows 42,000, and that's believed to be original based on the condition on the car. There's no leaks. All the belts and hoses are new. There's a new exhaust. All the bottles, plastic bottles, everything looks good. All the hoses are nice. It's got the factory tags. And looks like there's a light or something missing here. The rubber against the firewall looks good. And this door is locked. If you can open that, please. So let's look at the trunk. Oh, here, right here. I got the key right here. Yeah. The trunk is all nice, no tears on the carpet, looks good.